The Spanish government at its weekly cabinet meeting has passed more measures to fight the coronavirus crisis. The first measure is the extension of the 15-day lockdown period. Spaniards were due to be released from the lockdown period at the end of the month, but they will have to stay in their homes until April the 11th. That measure will be passed before the Parliament tomorrow. The second measure passed by the government today at the cabinet meeting is the 20 billion euro credit line to banks. The idea is that those banks will pass on credit to ailing small businesses and self-employed people who are being directly affected by the lockdown. Of course, Spaniards can only leave their homes to buy essential items like food and pharmaceutical items, and that has led to a big impact already on workers. We're seeing about 500,000 workers potentially being laid off during this crisis. We're seeing that the government comes under increasing pressure to do even more, to make more restrictive measures as those numbers of deaths continue to soar. We've seen the deaths up 23% in the last 24 hours, the number of cases rising by 20%, and particularly concerning are those health workers who are among the infected. About 13% of those infected across Spain are on the front line. They're doctors, they're nurses, they're health workers trying to save lives.